Hey guys, looking for a new remote for your devices? No? Don't know where to find suitable earbuds and some sports stuff to train hard? Okay, let's add some cheerful notes to those requests. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. It does our hearts good to see something that versatile. This is a combo of a lamp, a water fountain, and a Bluetooth speaker in one body. Pour some water and plug the device into the socket. Voila! Now you can relieve stress to the sound of trickling water. The spill-resistant design prevents spills and enhances the artistic vibe. Built-in LEDs glow in 2 preset light modes, cool white and warm white. And a stepless dimmer allows you to adjust the brightness with ease. As a Bluetooth speaker, it features 2 5-watt drivers with Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity to produce clear and detailed stereo audio with stable wireless streaming. With the dynamic waterfall and comfortable light, this thing is great to be the eye-catching focus in the interior setup and make you comfortable at night. Is it some kind of fidget toy? Nope, it's a smart remote controller. It connects to the majority of smart devices in your home that communicate via Wi-Fi, but it can also work with your iPhone, iPad, and even Mac to control apps like Spotify, iTunes, and Keynote. Carved from solid mahogany wood, this remote is much more pleasant to the touch in comparison to those plastic remotes. There's more, the device stays on all the time, so it's always ready to work for you. All you have to do is connect via Bluetooth. Also, it provides instant results without delay. Aside from withstanding shock and drops, the remote also comes with a circuit board that's easy and inexpensive to replace. Yep, you're allowed to listen to music beneath the surface. So first, the earbuds feature an ergonomic shape that promotes proper alignment and fit. Second, they provide less drag in the water. They easily integrate into Google Loops to make them easy to attach and remove. There's a wide choice of 5 ear tip sizes, so you can pick the one that suits you best. As for the sound, get ready for premium sound quality with plenty of bass. These earbuds also use surge waterproof neodymium drivers to deliver plenty of volume without any distortion. Nice! Here's another device that'll help you get the most out of your workouts. This is actually a combo of an insole, a GPS tracker, and a smart band, and it provides you with the most efficient info about your technique. Know what? You can even get info during your run that'll help you improve as you go. This smart running insole will tell you your cadence, gait, step length, and stride. If there's anything you need to correct, you can do that before you get injured. After the workout, the device will tell you details like your pronation and foot strike. The coolest part? There's a wide range of sizes for everyone. Do we have French breakfast lovers here? This gadget offers the best, the smallest, and the most portable way to enjoy brewed coffee. Drop a scoop of your favorite ground coffee into your mug, add hot water, pop in the straw, and voila! Thanks to this device, you'll be able to catch the best taste of coffee. One more pro is that drinking your beverages this way will reduce harm to your teeth. This thing is actually suitable for drinking leaf tea, juices with seeds, and cocktails with fruits and mint leaves. Keeping the straw clean is easy. Just rinse it under the tap water. Nice! This is a handheld meditation aid designed to control your breathing and get some relief from day-to-day stresses and anxiety. Since the product is compact, lightweight, and portable, it'll always be with you. There are 3 breathing modes to relieve stress, boost creativity, help to control your sleeping, and lower your heart rate. It's easy to use. Just hold it in your palm and follow the lights and the vibration pulses as you breathe. The device is rechargeable and runs up to 1 week on 1 charge. Keep calm and breathe easy. Meet your new workout trainer. Yep, this little device provides pro-level training. So it works with both iOS and Android gadgets and comes in 2 kit sizes. The standard kit is designed for enthusiasts and comes with 4 pods. The trainer kit, in its turn, comes with 6 pods for fitness trainers and sports coaches. Anyway, both of them are easy to set up in the dedicated app. Each pod has built-in LED lights that glow with 8 colors. You can control them with your phone to create your personalized reaction workout. The pods work up to 8 hours on 1 charge, and they're easy to store and take anywhere you go thanks to that gym bag. Thought of smart window shades but can't afford it? This gadget is an affordable and easy way to motorize your old ones. Yep, the device lets you easily control the window shades via the dedicated app. The installation doesn't require much time and any additional tools. The best part is that the device is compatible with Google Home and Alexa. Just in case, there's a single button on the body that allows manual operation. Smart home is not as pricey as you might think. Installing a security cam is always a pain in the pain. This one's a total game changer. First, it's easy to install. You can just leave it as it is or hang it using the nail hole, adhesive tape, camera bracket, octopus cam holder, and so on. Second, it's solar-powered, which means you don't have to change the batteries every 3 months. Third, the cam is power-saving, so it starts working and recording the videos when the built-in infrared detection system notices movement within a 10-foot range. Speaking of that, the videos are stored either on the SD card or your online storage, so feel free to watch them on your smartphone and share them with friends and family. Oh, and since this thing doubles as a power bank, you'll be safe and full of energy even in the middle of nowhere. Not sure whether your teeth are clean enough? No worries, this water flosser will solve that issue. So the gadget spits the water under high pressure and gets rid of any food and any other stuff in blind areas. Just fill in the water tank and mount the nozzle. By pressing and holding the button for only 2 seconds, you can select one of the soft, pulse, and strong modes according to your needs. This gadget is waterproof and has 4 replaceable nozzles. Last but not least, due to its compact size and 30-day battery life, it'll always be with you, even on travels. Oh, we just hate that stuff. You leave your house early in the morning when it's cold, and then you have to carry the jacket in your hands because it's too hot. Well, this jacket will impress you in every way. You can even turn it into a 9-gallon backpack when needed. There are 14 pockets for all your stuff from cards and AirPods to tablets. Wow! The jacket's unique design evenly distributes the weight of whatever's in the pockets for the best and healthiest carry. There's more. The reflective fabric takes care of you in low light conditions. Last but not least, the jacket's waterproof, heat trapping, and quick drying. It's a superhero jacket. Okay, so what's so special about this particular DIY kit? Long story short, this is the remote controller for all your smart appliances around the house. It comes complete with a set of 8 Internet of Things self-assemble projects ready to show you how to turn everyday appliances into smart appliances and build custom connected devices that can be controlled with your smartphone. Advanced users can create their own connected devices and IoT applications through the open programmable platform, providing the ultimate control. This one's for all the musicians out there. It's a hybrid between an audio effect and an electronic musical instrument. So the controller allows you to reorder any kind of musical input in real time. From now on, the user's not simply enabling a particular sound effect, but has to actively and skillfully play the instrument to yield good results. There's a whole bunch of ports so the gadget can be hooked up to any device, giving you much artistic freedom. From drum machines to synthesizers, from a single track on your mixer to the master output, you won't need much space. You can play this thing on the go, and you can use this thing right out of the box. That's a bargain.